Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam Lite 2. In this video I'll show you how to download app and how to pair the camera with app. In the beginning, from the homepage of the camera, let's go to the right and go to download app. Now you have to scan QR code and now accept. Select country, Android or iOS, install. And now, while we installing the app, let's go back and go to system settings. Go to Wi-Fi hotspot and pair your smartphone with the camera hotspot. Now open the app. Sign in. And now add a device. Allow. Now select dashcam with screen. Connect. Allow. And while we are connected already, let's go back to app. Confirm on the camera. Open dashcam. Got it. And it's done. Now, thanks to the connection, we can go to album, take photo, and manage settings of our camera. The same settings we've got access from the camera, but it's easier on the smartphone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.